I've always sort of had editing and something in the publishing industry on my mind. My name is Nate, I'm a Bucknell student, and this is my story. I have a pretty large Bucknell legacy. I'm actually the fourth generation of my family to come here, so I was really excited to get into Bucknell. But then of course when you get the presidential fellowship, I was like ecstatic. All of the things that I did in high school, all the hard work paid off, like literally. The presidential fellowship is a 4-year merit scholarship, and so through that I work at the Bucknell University Press. I get to see basically the whole process. Any sort of editing and writing practice really goes to just honing your skills and being able to, one, notice what's good writing in others' work, and then that sort of thing is something that I can take and notice in submissions that you would perhaps get at a publishing company. In a way it's a job, but it's more than that because you work directly with a professor. I really enjoy it, and it's so very relevant to what I want to do because as an end goal, I would like to work in a publishing house. And while I am obviously focusing and getting a lot of stuff done that will help me in my future, I get to enjoy the now as well.